This method can help answer key questions in the pulmonary diseases research, such as pneumonia, asthma, cystic fibrosis, and chronic obstructive pulmonary disease. The main advantage of this technique is to isolate and enrich patient neutrophil from patient airway secretion without physical-chemical disturbance. Demonstrating the procedure will be Kyungyong, a PhD student from my laboratory.
To start with, maintain a ratio of 10:1 and mix the PDMS precursor with the base and curing agent. Next, add 30 grams of the PDMS mixture on the micro-machined aluminum mold. Then, add another 20 grams of PDMS mixture on a 100 mm Petri dish. For the purpose of degas, put the mold and the Petri dish in the vacuum desiccator. After degassing, release the vacuum and place the mold in the Petri dish in an oven at 90 degrees Celsius for an hour. After 1 hour, remove the mold in the Petri dish from the oven and let it cool at room temperature for 10 minutes. Next, use a knife to cut the outline and punch the fluid access holes with 2 mm biopsy punch on the device. After punching the holes, secure a tape and adhere it to the channel side of the device and on the thick film of PDMS. Use forceps to peel the tape carefully to remove the dust. Then, start treating the channel side of the device and the plain PDMS with air plasma. Then bond both the channel side and the plain PDMS with the prepared supporting